How are you on Saturday afternoon? Hi, friend. So good to see you. I just am so excited I had to jump in here and show you that I got all of these rows sewn. You know that feeling, right? You're like, yes. So they're all sewn. And yes, I would really like it to be a lot bigger, but it is not going to be a lot bigger. I'm going to get it done, get it done, get it done. Get her done. And that's it. I'm not doing, it would be lovely, wouldn't it? I would just think this would just be lovely, but I have too many other things. You saw my book that I showed you. Wait, here it is, where I was listing everything, right? So many things. So many. These things here all need binding or quilted. This isn't even to that stage yet. I need to get binding and the border on. But I did show that, see, I have some highlights. Yeah, it's not impressive. Believe me, that is not impressive. I'm not impressed with myself at all, but that's okay because I'm working very hard to finish up my book that I had to delay, and last year I had to stop working on it for a little bit. So then now I had to get back on it, uh, get back on that horse, and so it's still have quite a few weeks worth because of doing all my other things. I have to fit it in, and it'll be done, and then I sort of like, I'm free. That's terrible. Don't tell my publisher. It's like, I love it. You're going to love it. It's so fun. I just finished another one of the designs, and I'm working on the little projects. All the big projects are done, but I have to do the little projects. I have to get all the writing done. I have to organize it, take photos, load it all up for them. So it is a process to write a book. It takes a little bit of time, and I will get it done. So I picked this navy inner, which has a little bit of here. It's an older fabric I had, so it has a little bit of flower on it with the red, and then I'm going to go with that big polka dot because I don't want the border to sort of blend away. I tried a bunch of them and they sort of blend away, and I decided to save my drink fabric once again, the cocktail hour fabric. Once again, it won't be used in a quilt. It'll be saved. I'm gonna have to design something just to feature it. Like I do one of those patterns where you put, big pieces of it. So the other thing is, because there's always new fun things, I saw this adorable table runner kit, and it's a really reasonable price, and it came, actually, I didn't realize this, but it came in this amazing box, and it's shamrocks. So let me whoops, I almost dropped it. There, see the little shamrocks. I don't know, I have no business starting anything, but even if I don't do it this year, but I might. I'm gonna try. So it's like one of, I know I opened this before. Oh, it's it's one of those magnetic clasps. They're just lovely, these boxes. So it comes with everything for the top and the binding. So there's the pattern. That looks super simple, right? And the fabric is darling. This is the background fabric. Look, for St. Patrick's Day. And then there's a couple different green fabrics. I'll just show you real quick. There's more of these, so I'll link you up to it right below the video. So anytime you're watching my videos, right below the video, there's another green. I like that one. Right below the video, there's text. You just have to click it to see. Every time I always give you the info. There's the last one. So this will be super fun. I'm thinking it'll be super quick, right? Tell me yes. Tell me yes, it'll be super quick. And on my hearts, I also had one extra, where is it? And one extra heart that didn't go on there. So this is going to be the label. So I'll put a border around this of a white, and it'll be the back of the label. I'm going to find something very colorful for the backing. I have to look around. I'm not buying anything to finish this. I bought a shamrock table runner kit instead. So I'm Pat Sloan. Thank you for joining me. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. If you are looking for my store, anything that you want to use my links to support my small family business, you can just go to the shopping tab at my website. And if you're not on Facebook, come on over. Quote along with Pat Sloan. We have a lot of fun. All the friends there are so amazing. So take a little time for yourself on this Saturday if you haven't done it yet. I just finished doing my yoga for today. I'm so excited I found the yoga online. Yes. So I love you. Thank you for being here. Talk to you later.